Hi everybody, how are you? This is Jun. My name is Here. Thank you for your time watching my video again. So this is my LinkedIn. Please visit for more information about me. This is my GitHub. You can get all of the source code from here, but please click the like this video. Thank you again. Okay. And before this video, I just introduced some videos. This is my first video regarding find the element ID, checking keyword, checking error messages. You can get it from this video. The second video I want to introduce is finding element ID via configuration file, checking radio button, read a session ID from a text file, instantiate class, inherent class, constructor. If you want to know how to use it, please visit this video. The last one video is regarding the Selenium file. It is to test Android devices, sending text message, image, taking image, understanding it, taking video, understanding, searching conversation, and deleting it. All of source code you can get from my GitHub here. Remember, click the like before you get the source code. Thank you. Okay, now we get at the summary of this video. This document designed to show how to handle drop-down lists in Selenium WebDriver with Python for web application testing. From technical, you will see get drop-down list options, save all options into a CSV file, test all drop-down combination by using well. The script is doing that. Launch Firefox, open form. So I'm still using this form. Get a session ID from a text file. In the previous file, user logged into form already. So I saved a session ID for concurrent running. If you want to know how to save a text file for a session ID, you can visit this first one and the second one videos. Go back to these two videos. Okay, then the user go to the control panel, go to the board preference, edit global settings. For the drop-down list, you will see get a drop-down list option, save option into a CSV file, then test all of drop-down combination using the while loop. Then it exit from browser. Testing tools, I'm using Python, Selenium WebDriver, test information, Firefox browser. Now we are going to the web page first to understand how many drop-down lists there are. Okay, there are 4 drop-down lists. My language, 1 option. My border style, 2 options. My time zone, long list. My data format, field list, 1 is special, custom. Extra text box needed for this option. Imagine using the manual testing. How long will it take for the combination of 4 drop-down lists? 3 hours? It should be. Here is our script. There are 4 files. The main file, drop-down list, check radio, and edit radio. Let me give you some idea regarding check radio and edit radio. Check radio is a parent radio. There is one function, it's called select radio. This function is to identify the current radio button status and top it. That's meaning it go to this page, check the radio button status. If it is no, it change to yes. If it is yes, it change to no. Then the edit radio is a children radio. It inherent from check radio and update the radio button for each one. Here is the select radio function from check radio. Now we go to the drop-down list. The drop-down list, one function is get a drop-down list. This function is get single drop-down list option and save this option text into a CSV file. Then return a drop-down list length. Here is the CSV file. It will save into resource folder. Remember, we have a special option. This one, customer. This ... need to use the UTF-8 to handle it. Then the second function get all drop-down lists. Actually, it is to perform this get drop-down list and return the length for each of drop-down. Then the next option is select option. Select option there has 4 parameters, which is from the below drop-down loop select. It's always starting from 0, and this the length. Then it from 0 to the length. It performs this loop. Okay, so we go to the main file. We create a object, instantiate the drop-down list function. This one. Then pass the driver and config to the drop-down list. Then it perform drop-down loop select. So the drop-down loop select will perform 2 functions. One is update radio, another one is select option. Okay, now we see the script running. Here I print each of the drop-down text and index. So this is index, this one is index, this one is text. So you see it from 0, 0, 3, this one is 1. So it make a loop. This first 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now it is 6. We go to here to see how it works. Now it changed. We go here to see again. It changed to 7. Now this one will change to 4. We see the next. It changed to 4. We go to the page to see it run, it changed. Okay, so this one is changed to 4, this one is starting from 0. Yeah, it's correct. So far it performed 30 3 test cases. How many test cases it needed to perform still? This only perform 4. So we see the drop-down list how much they have. You see, at least 30. So that's meaning 30 multiple 7, 200. Okay, oh, more than 200. Okay, so this is generate the CSV file. This one is for the data format, 7 options. This one is the ID language, 1 option. This one is for the board style, with 2 options. This one is for the timeline. Okay, let's see timeline. Oh, 39. That's meaning there must more than 300 test cases need to be executed. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.